Good morning, everybody. This is October 31st, 2019, morning time around 11 a.m. in Taiwan. I'm now at Taiwan Airport reporting about the stock market of USA. S&P raised up by about 10 points only, but remember this is record high. Dow Jones raised by about 115 points, and Dow Jones is still, fall short of the record high for only about 200 points, something like that. Okay, 180 points. But however, for those investors, if they expect that once Dow Jones become record high, got the record high, and the stock market will increase a lot, you may feel disappointed. That is not the USA market. USA market is actually quite stable, even though if it go beyond the record high level, the increase in average stock basically based on the company performance, and so unlike the Asian market, so for speculation somehow the fluctuation of each stock is not actually too much. But as an indicator, you may think in this way. Last week, let's say October 22nd, 23rd, okay, for all the stocks in US, if you want to take a benchmark, you may take the stock price of that particular stock in last week. Last week means October 22nd, 23rd, those days. If you look at their stock price, and that stock price will be a supporting line or supporting prices for the stock you are looking at in the future. What does that mean? Because last week, the lowest level last week, basically is around, a flat bottom for Dow Jones, and it indicate a platform that in the future, if Dow Jones drop again after increasing, then you will stay at the level same as last week. Last week means October 22nd, October 23rd, October 25, something like that. Okay, so this is the indicator. And also because I am not showing you the graph, so tell you the numbers. Sometimes you may forget. That's why I use another way to interpret. Tell you to remember the date of those stock prices, then you may compare with them. So in the future, Eric forecasts that USA market still going up, especially that just about a few hours ago, USA, the federal Fed, they reduced the interest rate by 0.25%. This is the third time reduction during this year. And last year, 2018, they increased by 4 times, and now this time reduced by 3 times. So you may expect that still there may be one more reduction somehow in the future. But anyway, this is also a method to push the stock market to go up a little bit. Hopefully that Dow Jones will get a record high because of that. S&P 500 we already got a record high, right? So look forward to see better market in next 7 days. And but do not expect that the stock market will increase a lot. Don't expect this way, because all this good news, including interest drops, is already within the expectation of all the investors. So that's why no surprise at all, and that's why the stock market will not increase too much, but still increasing. It's a good time to buy anyway. So because of that, the Asian market is going up too. For those, if you want to earn more money, let's say Taiwan market is a good chance right now. Okay, so I will try to forecast Taiwan market Hong Kong market, Singaporean market, and so on during other YouTubes. And thanks for watching. If you like my forecast, I try to focus a few times per week. Then you may subscribe my channel through YouTube. This is Eric Hotung Leung, usually based in Vancouver. Okay, today I'm going to Hong Kong for business trip, and I will return back on November 5th. But I try to keep my forecast up to date, especially because this is quite fresh news after interest rate dropped by 0.25%. Thanks for watching.